Later in the training, you will do this Amplify scavenger hunt, and you will need to go to Amplify. So I'm going to show you how to do that and what you should be looking out for, give you an overview of how to navigate. So for now, we'll log in with our Google student accounts. If you have more than one, choose the one that's your student account for our school district. So when it first loads, it automatically loads to what we'd call the home screen. This is where we find all the units. So the units are each of these boxes. In each box, you can click on the picture or the words. It will take you to the same kind of place. So those are all the units for our grade level. When we click on a specific unit, then it kind of gives you an overview. So when you scroll down, you have the different chapters, chapter 1, chapter 2, like that. And in each chapter, you can see that it's also broken down into lesson 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, etc. And then in each lesson, it is further broken into activities, activity 1, activity 2, activity 3, etc. In each activity, when you click, then you have the actual, whatever the activity is. If there's something to look at or read or even type, if we were doing the work online, this is how you would do it. Many times we're not doing the work online, but that just depends. When you want to get back to all of the units or even just a different part, like if I go back to the lesson, I'm already in this lesson, so that doesn't, it just takes me to the, if I want to go back to the unit and see all the chapters and lessons, then I can just click on the breadcrumb up here, kind of just shows you like the trail that you're in, right? I'm in lesson 2. If I go to a specific activity, it doesn't show that up there. But we can know that's the lesson, that's the unit, and this is back to the home screen. Curriculum and Science California, both of those would take me back to the home screen, basically. Let me stay in 6th grade. So then the other main thing that is useful and helpful is this, the waffle called Programs and Apps. This is where all of our sims are. You're seeing sims that are not just for your grade level right here, but the point is sims are unique to each unit usually. And so this is where they find. There are other things down here too, like the library. And some of these are things that only a teacher would see. But the library is kind of the main one that we'll use later. And then just knowing where all the different sims are is something that you're going to need to use as you do the scavenger hunt. So that is the basics. Go back and review things in the module training, like the diagrams to help you, or rewatch this video as you can move on and do the learning check and the scavenger hunt to help you. All right, that's it. Good luck.